Hey guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World. Today, quick pack hunting. I'm in Tesco right now, and just 5 minutes ago, the person from staff on Tesco just put 2 fresh boxes of the Hot Wheels. I just selected most of them right now, and now I show you what I find today. Stay tuned. And now is intro. Okay guys, so you can see they be exactly 2 full boxes. I spot some cars on the blood right now to show you. So it's not surprise, you can see some of the beauties of last set. A lot of Japanese cars, so some nice JDMs, some others American stuff. More people look this kit car. There is 3 of them in these boxes. McLaren, of course, few Mazda as well, few Skyline, Toyota, few Lamborghini as well, another Nissan, Audi, this Audi with this casting looks really nice, Aston Martin, Corvette, few Batmobiles as well, Ford pickup, Mustang, and for the end Bugatti. And now tell me how is possible I see how they getting the fresh 2 boxes inside here, and okay, there is no super treasure hunt, but there is any treasure hunt. If I could remember, every single box should be 1 treasure hunt. So I check all these cars, and the minimum I should find 2 treasure hunt, but it's gone, it's 0. I check both boxes and I don't find any treasure hunt. Anyway, it's still good pack hunting because most of these mine lines is most popular right now and many collectors try to find them, but I feel little disappointed. That's why I cannot find any treasure hunt. Should be minimum 2 and they be 0, so little strange. But anyway, I just buy 2 today. I just take 1 Skyline and 1 Audi. So thank you so much for watching. This is quick pack hunting in Tesco today, because I completely go for something else, but every time when I'm here, so I need to check the Hot Wheels section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, leave subscribe, like this video, and see you soon. Take care guys.